150 daily routine simple English sentences. Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Binanda. Today we are going to learn 150 simple English sentences about daily routines. Listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's start. Morning routine 1. I wake up early. 2. I wake up at 6 o'clock. 3. I get out of bed. 4. I open the window. 5. I look outside. 6. I make my bed. 7. I go to the bathroom. 8. I brush my teeth. 9. I wash my face. 10. I take a shower. 11. I dry my body. 12. I comb my hair. 13. I get dressed. 14. I wear clean clothes. 15. I look in the mirror. 16. I drink a glass of water. 17. I do some exercise. 18. I do yoga. 19. I stretch my body. 20. I take a deep breath. 21. I feel fresh. 22. I feel energetic. 23. I prepare my breakfast. 24. I eat breakfast. 25. I drink tea. 26. I drink coffee. 27. I drink milk. 28. I eat some fruit. 29. I clean the table. 30. I wash the dishes. Getting ready for the day. 31. I check my phone. 32. I read my messages. 33. I check the time. 34. I make a plan for the day. 35. I write my daily goals. 36. I prepare my bag. 37. I take my keys. 38. I take my wallet. 39. I put on my shoes. 40. I check the door. 41. I turn off the lights. 42. I lock the door. 43. I leave home. 44. I walk outside. 45. I go to work. 46. I go to school. 47. I take a bus. 48. I ride my bike. 49. I drive my car. 50. I meet my friends. Work and study. 51. I arrive at work. 52. I start my work. 53. I sit at my desk. 54. I turn on my computer. 55. I check my email. 56. I read my messages. 57. I answer my emails. 58. I attend a meeting. 59. I talk to my colleagues. 60. I work hard. 61. I learn new things. 62. I take notes. 63. I read a book. 64. I study English. 65. I practice speaking English. 66. I practice listening. 67. I learn new words. 68. I write new sentences. 69. I ask questions. 70. I take a short break. 71. I drink some water. 72. I have some tea. 73. I continue my work. 74. I finish my task. 75. I check my work. Afternoon routine 76. It is lunchtime. 77. I feel hungry. 78. I have lunch. 79. I eat rice. 80. I eat vegetables. 81. I eat some fruit. 82. I drink water. 83. I talk with my friends. 84. I relax for a while. 85. I take a short walk. 86. I go back to work. 87. I continue studying. 88. I finish my work. 89. I clean my desk. 90. I pack my things. 91. I leave the office. 92. I go back home. 93. I walk home. 94. I take a bus home. 95. I reach home safely. Evening routine 96. I come home. 97. I open the door. 98. I change my clothes. 99. I wash my hands. 100. I wash my face. 101. I drink some water. 102. I take a short rest. 103. I talk to my family. 104. I help my family. 105. I clean my room. 106. I water the plants. 107. I feed my pet. 108. I watch television. 109. I listen to music. 110. I watch YouTube. 111. I read the news. 112. I use my phone. 113. I call my friend. 114. I practice English. 115. I speak English aloud. 116. I repeat the sentences. 117. I learn from my mistakes. 118. I prepare dinner. 119. I eat dinner. 120. I wash the dishes. Night routine 121. I finish my dinner. 122. I clean the kitchen. 123. I check my phone. 124. I reply to my messages. 125. I prepare my clothes for tomorrow. 126. I prepare my bag. 127. I check my schedule. 128. I plan for tomorrow. 129. I write my goals. 130. I read a book. 131. I listen to an English podcast. 132. I practice English before bed. 133. I turn off the television. 134. I turn off the lights. 135. I go to the bathroom. 136. I brush my teeth again. 137. I wash my face. 138. I change into my pajamas. 139. I check the doctor. 140. I set my alarm. One colder one. I put my phone away. 142. I go to bed. 143. I lie down. 144. I close my eyes. 145. I relax my body. 146. I think about my day. 147. I feel thankful. 148. I take a deep breath. 149. I fall asleep. 150. I sleep peacefully. Practice section. Now let's practice together. Listen to each sentence and repeat it aloud. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I go to work. I study English. I practice speaking English. I come back home. I eat dinner. I go to bed. Practice these sentences every day. Speak slowly and clearly. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Keep practicing and your English will improve. Closing. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep practicing and keep speaking English. See you in the next video. Goodbye and have a wonderful day.